Let's get you details of a deadly accident reported in the city of Mumbai. A BEST bus, which is a government bus in Mumbai, rammed into pedestrians and damaged vehicles at Kurla in Mumbai, killing 7 people and injuring over 30. Now, the bus travelling from Kurla to Andheri, the driver lost control after suspected brake fail near Ambedkar Nagar locality in Kurla. CCTV footage of the accident shows the exact moment the bus rams into and runs over several pedestrians. The video shows the bus veering dangerously towards the left side of the road and clearly no control of the vehicle. The driver then rams into an auto rickshaw, following which sparks were seen underneath the vehicle. 7 people have died as a result, over 49 injured, and they've been shifted to a local hospital. Now, the images also show the panic that broke out as people started running for their lives when they saw the bus coming towards them. The bus driver has now been arrested for culpable homicide not amounting to murder.
We are right now on the SG Barve road, which is right outside Kurla railway station, and you can see this road is not a very wide road. There are vehicles parked on either of the two sides, and you can see that it's such a crowded space even at this time. At 9:30 in the evening, when it must have been much more crowded as there was a rush hour at that time, and a vehicle, the BSC bus, which had just started about 500 meters from the bus depot, was rummaged through this entire road at a very high speed. Within minutes, the bus reached this spot. You can see even this juncture, there are damages of the entire drama that happened, the tragedy that unfolded right outside Kurla railway station. Finally, when the bus driver could not control the bus, he got the bus here. You can see the pillars, the boundary wall of the housing society all smashed. This is where finally the bus stopped, and at the end of this entire incident, there were about 43 people who were injured and 6 more had died in this incident. Now the Mumbai police is trying to investigate and find out as to what really led to it, whether it was the inexperienced driver which led to this incident, because it is being said that he was taken on the job only on December 1. So whether he was checked, whether he had the prior knowledge and the experience of driving a big vehicle, all that is being investigated. If not, what could be, whether there was a technical issue with the bus, all these are being investigated, and the Mumbai police is promising to take this entire incident to a logical conclusion in its investigation. With cameraman Kiran Sapkal in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
ये कल की जो घटना हुई बहुत ही दुर्दैवी ऐसी घटना है, और इसमें करीब 40 के ऊपर लोग जख्मी हो गए और करीब 7 लोगों की मृत्यु हो गई। तो इसकी पूरी जांच कि बस में कोई प्रॉब्लम था, टेक्निकल इश्यूज था या ड्राइवर की गलती है, तो इसकी आज हम पूरी चौकसी करेंगे और जो भी कार्रवाई करनी होगी सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई करने का हमने निर्णय लिया है। इसके लिए आरटीओ की टीम और बीएसटी के इंजीनियर्स ये बस की जांच करने वाले हैं आज, और उससे पता चलेगा कि टेक्निकल एरर था या ड्राइवर की गलती। मैंने अभी जैसे बताया, आरटीओ की टीम और हमारी टीम बस की पूरी जांच कर रहे हैं, उसमें कुछ टेक्निकल एरर है या नहीं, इसका पता जांच के बाद चलेगा।